Merry Christmas, son. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Happy Christmas,
I
son.
forgot Mr. Peepers upstairs.
Oh,
For my presents without Mr. Peepers.
he's been here for every Christmas. You better go get him, son.
We're back.
Okay. Dude, I want to show you this magazine.
I love magazines.
Hey, you guys, come on. My dad says if your dad, my dad can.
This is serious. I mean, we're nervous. We're gonna get in trouble if someone should, because if anyone was, we're gonna get it.
I'll be on lookout.
You guys, nobody, seriously, not any of you guys, not one, not either of you can touch this book. This
You got
magazine.
it? Otherwise,
Can we touch it with our eyes when we look at it?
My dad, who's watched a lot of CSI, he knows fingerprints.
We just want to look at it, Roger.
Okay.
You don't hold it.
Okay.
guys, look at it.
Look over here, Roger. I can't even reach it.
Seriously, Roger.
Okay, you
Seriously.
can look, but we have to go page by page. The first one is a Captain Morgan ad.
Oh, badass. I want to be Captain Morgan.
Yeah, I want to set sails with the captain.
Yeah.
Right attitude, I thought you were going to say no. But then, these advertisers spend a lot of money to get eyeballs on their ads.
Our eyeballs are all over those
All
ads.
my balls are on that ad.
Yeah.
Hey, if you spend enough
Mikey
time.
likes to put his balls on the ads. And you know what else? He'll open that little flap where the cologne is and he'll rub his balls on that.
I cut the backside of my dick sag with it.
It makes it smell good for when if a girl ever wants to suck on it, which they don't.
I put all the smells on there so it smells real good.
That's a good idea. The more smells, the better.
Keep a lookout.
Do it again. Give it to me again. Set it up. Mikey, set it up. Watch this.
Which
Do
one?
this. I like that. Turkey.